I don't answer questions.
Okay, I don't really know how to respond to that, sir.
You bastard.
Bastard.
You either fight me or you lose your teeth.
About to find me a UCT.
Captain Awesome.
Hey guys, Rogue Nation here with you this morning, and we got a pretty banging video coming to us from Blue Steel, one of our local Alachua County activists. If you guys don't know Blue Steel, you should definitely check him out. Give him a like, share, and subscribe. He does really good work here locally, and he's bringing to us today a video of a court hearing for another local activist here in Alachua County, Gainesville, Florida, Andre Abrams. And this court case is about him getting a citation for texting while driving. And I want to showcase this, one, because they're great local activists. Both these guys are great local activists. Both these guys showed up for me at my court date in Orlando for my Social Security case. So I really appreciate the support they've given me. So I wanted to give them some support back. But also because I want to show people how easy it is to actually take this stuff to court and win. You know, one of the biggest mistakes that officers make when writing out traffic tickets is their citation numbers that they put on there, the statutes and codes. A lot of times they'll mix those up. So check out the video, let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment in the comment section. Go over to Blue Steel, let them know I said what's up. Tell them thank you for standing up for our rights. And as always, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. There's always going to be a next one.
Andre Abrams, 24 TR 15122, Deputy Carroll.
Yes, Your Honor. Deputy Carroll here.
Tell me your name, please. Deputy Carroll, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Abrams, I see you there. I just sent you a note. Hold on. I just sent you a request to unmute. Do you see that request on your screen?
Okay, there we go. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Mr. Abrams.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking, Mr. Abrams. You've been cited for texting while driving, first offense. The fine at a minimum is $109 if you're found guilty or you plead no contest. Do you have any questions before I ask if you wish to maintain your plea?
Yes, I want to plead not guilty.
Not guilty. Okay, so we'll have a hearing. Deputy Carroll, Mr. Abrams, I will now place you both under oath. Do you both, if you'll raise your right hands, do you both swear or affirm that the testimony you give this court today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Deputy, do you have a camera working?
I do.
Okay, it's not on. There you go. Okay. And Deputy Carroll, we'll start, Mr. Abrams, with Deputy Carroll because he issued the citation, and then you'll have the right to ask the deputy questions, and then we'll switch turns. You'll have the right to testify, and then the deputy will ask questions. Mr. Abrams, any questions about that process?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Deputy Carroll, when you're ready.
Yes, Your Honor. I was conducting traffic enforcement in the area of the 2100 block of Southwest Williston Road, which is a school zone right there. I think it's Ottawa Elementary. I think it's Ottawa. It's a marked school zone. I observed the defendant operating a motor vehicle while he was possessing a cellular device, and he was reporting me on his phone as he was driving down the road with a juvenile in the back seat. I stopped the vehicle, issued a citation to the defendant based on his driver's license. And he said, and I quote, he was checking the time on his phone, is what he told me. I had my body cam active and my dash cam.
New waiting call.
And you want to present either of those today?
I can, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any further testimony before you present those items?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you, if you would explain how the what are you going to show, body cam or dash cam?
I can show both. He also had the cell phone in his hand when he got out of the vehicle.
Okay. Can you tell me, just give me a basis of how the dash cam or body cam came about?
Basically, his statement was made to me that he was checking the time and that he was actively recording me.
Okay. Mr. Abrams, do you want to see the dash cam or body cam?
We can show both.
Okay, no objection then. All right,
No
Deputy,
objection.
I believe it's able for you to share your screen when you're ready.
Can you see it, Your Honor?
Now I see, yes. And is this the dash cam or
This is the body cam, Your Honor.
Okay. Looks like we're loading.
Driver, step back here with your license, please.
Back with your license, please. Some evidence of anything.
Hold on one second. Officer, can you pause? Mr. Abrams, there's somebody talking in the background. I just want to make sure if that person is giving you any advice, they'd have to be a lawyer. So I'm not certain what's being said back there. However, you can have somebody indicating how you're supposed to respond or what's happening or giving you legal advice. And muting isn't going to resolve the issue, so your muting isn't helping you.
Yes, ma'am. We good. On this end.
I'm going to ask that you keep your phone off of mute or your device off of mute. Because again, if the person's not a lawyer, they cannot be giving you legal advice on the matter.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Deputy Carroll, when you're ready.
Deputy Carroll, Latch County Sheriff's Office. And I stopped you. You had your stuff on your hand as you're driving down the road in a school zone. All right, it was? Yes, sir. Okay. I had my cell phone on. My cell phone was on. I'm looking at my cell phone to get the time. Doesn't matter why you're looking at it. Okay, it's supposed to be fully hands-free on school zone. So you need an electronic device. Okay? Anything wrong with your license you're aware of? You still live it? It's free. The registration is free to the vehicle. Wait. It's a question. You have registration insurance in the vehicle. Any kind of firearm in the vehicle? All right, we're going to go up there and get that, and then we're going to come right back here, okay? Go to work? Take my daughter work. My daughter's in the car. Okay. Sir, this is showing expired back. You have a new one? That's it, Your Honor.
Okay. And that was the body cam. Do you have a dash cam?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. Can you see it, Your Honor?
Yes.
New waiting call.
Okay, that was the dash cam.
Yes, Your Honor. And that's him holding his phone right there in his hands as he's recording me as he's driving by, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes,
Deputy Carroll, any other testimony, and then we'll see if Mr. Abrams has any questions for you.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Abrams, do you have any questions for the deputy?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, when you're ready, sir.
Yes, ma'am. The officer, can you tell me, do you have a copy of the citation before you?
I do.
Okay, can you tell me what the citation was written for?
It is for Florida State Statute 316.306 3 alpha. It's hands-free in a school zone.
Okay, hands-free in school zone. Do you know that there is no law against holding your cell phone or any phone? It's not illegal to hold a phone in your hand in Florida?
Are you asking me a question?
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm aware there is a law against having your.
Okay. Also, the citation was written for texting.
Is there?
Do you not see that on the citation?
Is there a question?
Yes.
Okay, what's the question?
Yes. The citation was written for texting while driving.
Your Honor, I don't understand the question.
Did you not write on the citation that I was texting while driving?
The citation is under 316.306 3A. Let me take a look.
Or it's the hands-free. I don't know how it imports over, Your Honor, but it's hands-free in the school zone.
So there's two places. In the notes, you put 316.306 3A, but in the section of the statute, you put 316.305.
That auto-populates. I don't do that, I guess. It's a feature in the function, Your Honor. I can show you on my side of the house.
That's not,
if you don't mind.
So
that's not an excuse.
Hold on, Mr. Abrams, if I may. Deputy, the section that is charged and what I have on my notes is 316.305, which is texting while driving. So that's the citation that you would have to proceed under.
Right, Your Honor. It's the subsection is the school zone, which that's what it would fall under, right?
No, ma'am.
Hold on, Mr. Abrams, if I may. There's no school zone prohibition under 316.305. That's a straight texting while driving citation. That's
Yeah.
wireless communication devices prohibition, and you cited 3A, which is different than the school. This wasn't cited as a phone in the school zone citation, which is 306. This is 305, which
I
is
don't know why it does that, Your Honor. I just go off of what our system says, but I can show you the
Yeah, there's no
citation.
excuse.
Hold
That's
on,
not an excuse.
Mr. Abrams, just a moment, please.
So I don't know why it says this up here, Your Honor, but down here is the actual violation, and I also put it in the comments pertaining to the offense as hands-free in a school zone, and stated.
I'm saying this is a retaliation citation, Your Honor.
I didn't hear you, Mr. Abrams. I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
Yes, I'm saying that this is a retaliation citation.
Oh.
There's like you said, we're going by the ticket that he wrote me was for texting while driving. He did not put on there. We're going by what he said on the ticket. Let's stick to that. The facts are he wrote me a ticket for driving and texting, which I was not texting.
So
He cannot change the rules in the middle of the game. He cannot do that. I can't do it. He can't do it.
yeah, I understand, Mr. Abrams, and I actually don't disagree with you, Deputy. So if you're going to amend the citation, it has to be done before I put everybody under oath and we proceed with testimony. I see what you're showing me on your screen. I do, but I have to go what's on the court file, which is the actual court record, and the charging document, which is the 316.305. I note that you do have 316.306 in your comments, but that's not the citation that was charged.
Thank you.
All right. So with that, Deputy, I'd have to find Mr. Abrams not guilty under the citation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Deputy Carroll. Thank you, Mr. Abrams. Your order will be mailed to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you.
All right. We're
Thank
adjourned
you.
for today. Madam Clerk, is there anyone else that I need to go over?
That's all I have, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. We'll stand in recess. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Abrams and Deputy Carroll. You'll both may be excused. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
You